Hi, my name's Phil. I'm lead technician at HPC Fire Inspired, and today we're going to unbox an FPPK, or a push button flame sense. This happens to be an FPPK 24 square bowl flex LP. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do when you open the box is you're going to look inside and you're going to see some paperwork. These are the instructions, installation instructions and operating instructions for the unit. It also has a battery for the igniter, and it has a label. Now this label is very important as it has the model and serial number, and what you can do with this: remove it from the package, get your instructions out. You'll also find a certification card. You can take this label, peel it from the backing, and stick it on the back page of your instruction book. This will give you record of your serial number and model number in case you need support for the product. You will also find inside the box a bag containing this is a bracket, a support bracket for a thin wall enclosure to help hold the valve box steady. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the pieces containing the valve box. Is in this. And then we can remove the remaining part of the packaging. Now inside you'll see the control box. You can remove this from the packaging. Now, this is your control box, which will be mounted on the outside of your enclosure. You'll note that there are connections for the pilot and the main burner gas tube. To install this, the best way to go about it is you'll see there are two screws located on the front of the box. That holds the sleeve to the innards of the box. So this sleeve would be installed in the front of your enclosure, in the hole that you've made to hold the control box. And your control box can slide in from the back side of the enclosure and lock in place on the sleeve. Just reattach your screws. Put your battery in the push button, which you can remove by turning counterclockwise. You will also note in the cap there is a plus sign, which denotes the pole of the battery that's supposed to be pointed in that direction.